Welcome to the Fusion Middleware Partner Community Updates. I'm Jürgen Kress, responsible for the Oracle Middleware Partner business in Europe, Middle East and Africa.
This month's topics include the PaaS Partner Community Forum 2018, a chatbot resource kit for you as a partner, and our community webcast with Machi, a preview of the Oracle Container Native Application Development Platform. So let's get started. Registration for our annual conference is open. Please make sure that you register at tinyurl.com/PaaSforum 2018. We are excited to announce the agenda for the community forum. On Monday, the ACE team will update you on best practices and successful references during the community day. On Tuesday, Amit Safarin and our product management team will update you on the latest development and innovations of the PaaS platform. On Wednesday, you can choose between different breakout tracks: enterprise process and integration, or mobile and chatbots and content, or application development and DevOps, or innovation. On Thursday and Friday, you have the opportunity to get hands-on trained. You can choose between hands-on workshops, integrate and extend SaaS, or process and integration, or you can mix and mingle in different labs like microservice development, chatbots, mobile and content, machine learning, blockchain, Java Cloud and Application Cloud Container, API Cloud Service, integration and process, and of course dynamic processes. The conference will take place from March 12th to 16th at the Boskolo Hotel in Budapest, Hungary. Registration is open at tinyurl.com/PaaSforum 2018. Intelligent Chatbot Service is part of Oracle's mobile cloud service. A resource kit is available for you as a partner at Oracle Chatbot Kit. Gartner highlights that chatbots will be the next killer app, replacing many of today's existing mobile applications. You as a partner can leverage this platform to bring multi-channel experience to your customer base. This comprehensive platform supports chatbots with natural language processing and machine learning, as well as mobile cloud services. For you as a partner, we offer a resource kit, including all the sales material, from battle cards to playbooks to elevator kits to quick demos to infographics and customer presentations and promotional material and white papers. We also offer a pricing calculator and a FAQ. Technical material, including training documents and a YouTube channel with short videos to get trained, is available at our community platform. Make sure you use our demo services at demo.oracle.com and become a specialized partner in mobile sales specialization for sales, pre-sales and implementation. All material is available at tinyurl.com/Oracle Chatbot Kit. The community webcast takes place on January 23rd. Maciej Kruczka will give us a preview of the Oracle Container Native Application Development Platform. Make sure you attend the webcast to learn more about Oracle Container Pipelines, Oracle Container Functions and Microservices, and the underlying Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The webcast takes place at 4:30 on January 23rd. For registration, please visit tinyurl.com/PaaSwebcast January 2018. To wrap up today's presentation, in case you're not yet a member in the PaaS partner communities, please make sure that you register now. We are looking forward to welcome you to our annual PaaS Partner Community Forum in Budapest. A chatbot resource kit is available for you as a partner. Please tune in our PaaS Partner Community webcast on January 23rd. Thank you for joining the webcast. For questions, please feel free to raise them in our online discussion forum as part of the community workspace, send us a tweet at SOA Community, or contact Bandit, the cloud expert.